Good morning to all respected parents, teachers, and my dear friends. We, the students of class S1, welcome you all to today's assembly. Let's start the day on an auspicious note. Kindly join your hands, close your eyes, and be ready for the school prayer. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. A very good morning to all of you once again. We are hosting this special assembly today to celebrate the birth anniversary of our late director, Sir Mr. R.C. Shekhar. Sir has been our school's visionary, guiding light for more than a span of 30 years. A thorough educationalist, Shekhar Sir has always believed that in education lies the biggest service to humanity. The school has set several benchmarks under the dynamic leadership of Sir. Gyan Bharati School has much to thank him for, be it the comprehensive education system, the innovative and contemporary skill-based education, or the child-centric approach that we have been following. Sir has always been a staunch believer in the philosophy and ideals of Sri Aurobindo and Sri Ma. I would now request Nishi ma'am to share her thoughts on the occasion.
Thank you, Jia. Very beautifully spoken for a very young child. You're still in class 9. I really appreciate that. Good morning, parents. Good morning, children and teachers. This day, Sir's birthday, is a very important date on our calendar. It gives us an occasion to express gratitude, our reverence, and our love for him. At the same time, not a day goes that we don't remember him. What I want to say to the parents and children and all the teachers, that all of us have memories of him where he has shared a lot with us, our long meetings, personal conversations. He was a person with a very vast storehouse of knowledge. He was a person who loved to share. He may appear to be a disciplinarian to the children. He was very loving at heart. Much of what our school and each one of us who was in contact with him, much of us, what we are today is his contribution. I won't say much. I want to say this, that we all know what he stood for. We know he loved children. We know he loved the teachers. We know he was already very contemporary in his beliefs and thoughts. He brought the best experts from the educational field to speak to the teachers. All I want is for children, parents, he never believed in tuition, which has become the norm now. He wanted the children to make mistakes, to learn by themselves. And if very necessary, yes, the parents should teach the child. Now we see that from the very junior classes, tuition has become very popular. He never stood for that. For teachers, I would say, and for children, I'll conclude fast. Let us just practice what we remember he spoke to us about. That will be the best way to pay a tribute to him. I'll leave you with this thought. Thank you so much.
Dances lack word or text. In fact, the most intrinsic quality of each is the expressiveness of the dancer. It is the only form that does not require any written word or script and just focuses on the actions to express their thoughts and ideas. Feast your eyes on this beautiful Bharatanatyam dance presentation by Diana of class S1D.
Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. re sa re ta ta ta. Dream, 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 ta di di dream. Ta ta. Di di. Ta ta. Di di. Tum tum. Dum dum. Ta ta. Di di. Tum tum. Dum dum. Ta ta ta. Di di di. Tum tum tum. Dum dum dum. Ta ta ta. Di di di. Tum tum tum. Dum dum dum. Tam tari taka chum tum tari taka chum tari kida taka tam. Tari kida taka tam. Tari kida taka ta ta ta. Dream, 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 ta di di dream. Ta ta. Di di. Ta ta. Di di. Tum tum. Dum dum. Ta ta. Di di. Tum tum. Dum dum. Ta ta ta. Di di di. Tum tum tum. Dum dum dum. Ta ta ta. Di di di. Tum tum tum. Dum dum dum. Tam tari taka chum tim tari taka chum tari kida taka tam. Tari kida taka tam. Tari kida taka tam.
The 1st of November 1994 saw the advent of a new principal at Gyan Bharati School, and that was none other than Mr. R.C. Shekhar. Shekhar sir, as we very fondly address him, was an entire vision in himself. The development curriculum introduced at the pre-primary and primary level under the initiative of Sir, along with well-known educationists Professor Jalaluddin and Mrs. Amita Govinda, transformed the educational process. Today, on his birth anniversary, we have Arnav Ranka of S1D, reminding us that a nameless life is a miserable life. A thought of Sri Aurobindo, oft quoted by this great visionary.
Whenever I think of Shekhar sir, the first thing that crosses my mind is his belief in simple living and high thinking. To many of us, he might have been a strict disciplinarian, but undoubtedly, Sir has always been a beacon of hope and inspiration for all of us in our formative years. It was his vision that constantly guided us and helped us build a strong foundation. An aimless life is a miserable life, was a quote which was very close to his heart. Life without an aim is worthless. According to Sir, it is aim which gives meaning to life, and this purpose implies an effort, and it is in this effort that one finds joy. Those who do not know how to make an effort will never find joy. Nothing is more dangerous than wanting to rest. Those who are essentially lazy will never have the strength to be joyful. It is effort which gives joy. Each one of us should have an aim. And remember, the quality of your life will always depend upon the quality of your aim. Life is brief, and it is foolish to waste time by seeking satisfaction in petty desires and achievements. If you are passionate about something, you will not only be motivated to achieve it, but you will also want to achieve it the right way. So, as we embark on a life's journey, let Sir's words and actions guide us. Even though he may not be physically present amongst us today, let his ideals resonate in our hearts forever and be the guiding light for all our future endeavors. Thank you.
Imagination is an essential component of childhood, helping children learn many important lifelong skills. These seemingly simple attractions are crucial for a child's development. Now, Soumya of class S1B will be reciting a poem by Sri Aurobindo titled A Child's Imagination.
Good morning. I, Soumya Mishra of class S1B, will be reciting a poem, A Child's Imagination by Sri Aurobindo. O thou golden image, miniature of bliss, speaking sweetly, speaking neatly, every word deserves a kiss. Strange, remote, and splendid, childhood's fancy pure, thrills to thoughts we cannot fathom, quick felicities obscure. When the eyes grow solemn, laughter fades away, nature of her mighty childhood recollects the Titan play. Woodlands touched by sunlight, where the elves abode, giant meetings, Titan greetings, fancies of a youthful god. These are coming on thee, in thy secret thought. God remembers in thy bosom all the wonders that he wrote. Thank you.
Life is like a flute. It may have many holes and emptiness, but if you work on it carefully, it can play magical melody. Now, Samriddhi Bhardwaj of class S1D will mesmerize us with her flute presentation on the song Hey Ram by Sri Jagjit Singh.
Poetry is when an emotion has found its thought and the thought has found words. Next, we have Ananya of class S1A reciting Imagine a Tree, a beautiful composition penned down as a tribute to Shekhar Sir by our own ex-student, Heba Ejaz. It also featured as an obituary for Sir in the school diary.
In ever-loving memory of our beloved director, Sir, Mr. R.C. Shekhar. A life well lived. Imagine a tree, wise, old, brimming with life, its boughs extending out to dip in the omniscient river of knowledge, and its roots pressing closer to the earth, which thumps with silent energy. The tree seems to escape all things mortal meant, constant, eternal. Perhaps in a child's memory, endless and divine. The child runs circles around its trunk, falters only to hold its sturdy branches, and catches the rays of filtering sunlight in its leaves. In the early hours of dawn, giving rise to a new sun of its own, a sun dream. Imagine the child. Imagine to wake up one day and have the tree become a memory. Was the grass just wet with dew, or were they tears? Was the sun a softened hue, or were the clouds just there? But the wind whispers to the child, speaks of beyond, and the child knows. Its heart hollow, it caves a legacy preserved. But weep not, and do not bemoan, for look, the tree left flowers in its wake. Thank you. A guru is a teacher, guide, mentor, and expert who is the dispeller of darkness. He is a reverential figure to a student and acts as a counselor who helps in molding values in children. Now, Sia Srivastav of S1A will be presenting a beautiful Kathak dance, a Guru Vandana, in praise of the Guru.
So, always believed that the overall development of children is more important than mere academics. He insisted on children having high moral values to help them grow up as responsible citizens. Rajesh Kashyap an ex-student of Gyan Bharati, has recited a self-composed poem on Shekhar Sir, sharing his fond memories with his mentor.
Hello, everybody. Hope you're all doing well and staying safe. My name is Prajesh Kashyap. I graduated Gyan Bharati School in the year 2015. Shekhar sir was a very special person in my school life. I was very fortunate to have him around for all the years I was in school. Sometimes he was an old grandparent who was angry with you and would find various ways to let you know that. Sometimes he was a father figure who really wanted you to inculcate and uphold certain values and live your life, a life of ethics and morals. And I think in all of that, Sir was truly a visionary, someone who lived his life and lived a life by example. And I think everybody who's been able to meet him and interact with him has learned immensely from him. And he remains a guiding spirit to Gyan Bharati, and I hope that that remains so forever. When I was in grade 8th or 9th, I wrote this poem for Sir, and I had the fortune of reciting it for him in the school assembly. I'm glad to get that opportunity today and present that poem for all of you. कविता का नाम है कुछ बातें अभी भी. वो बातें अभी भी नई सी है लगती, वो बातें अभी भी सही सी है लगती, वो बातें अभी भी नहीं है पुरानी, वो बातें अभी भी नई सी है लगती, वो बातें अभी भी सही सी है लगती, वो बातें अभी भी नहीं है पुरानी, वो छुपके से आकर हमें देख जाना, वो बातें बताना कहानी सुनानी. हम लोग कभी क्लास में बहुत बदमाशी कर रहे होते थे तो सर अपने राउंड पर होते थे और वो विंडो में से आके बस झांकते थे एंड उतने उस झांकने में ही पूरा सन्नाटा हो जाता था. लाइक वी ऑल वुड बी लाइक सर राउंड पे एंड इट वाज अ थिंग कि सब लोग अपना थोड़ा बेस्ट बिहेवियर में आ जाओ. तो वो छुपके से आकर हमें देख जाना, वो बातें बताना कहानी सुनानी, हमें गिरने से पहले उठाना, चुप्पी में अपनी बहुत कुछ कह जाना, जो भी मैंने सीखा वो तुमको है अर्पित, यदि कुछ मैं भूलूं तो मुझको बताना, रहे आपका हाथ सर पर हमेशा, यूं ही हमें सही राह दिखाना, क्योंकि हम हैं बच्चे और हमेशा रहेंगे, क्योंकि हम हैं बच्चे और हमेशा रहेंगे, आप यूं ही सूर्य बन अपनी किरणें फैलाना. जहां भी हैं सर, हम सब में हैं एक तरीके से तो, बट वो जहां भी हैं आई होप वो खुश हैं और हमें देख रहे हैं और हमारी लाइफ चॉइसेस को कहीं ना कहीं अफेक्ट कर रहे हैं उन विचार से या उन वैल्यूज से जो उन्होंने हमारे अंदर डालने की कोशिश की. I think Gyan Bharati School is what it is majorly because of Shekhar sir and his contribution, and I hope we are all able to live up to that and maintain the sanctity and the beauty of this institution. Happy birthday, Shekhar sir, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to all my teachers in Gyan Bharati School. Take care, stay safe.
जिंदगी सदैव एक बेहतर उम्मीद है और उम्मीद ही जिंदगी का आधार. सतत की अभिलाषा भी जिंदगी है और अभिलाषा का हेतु भी. जिंदगी जितनी उल्लासपूर्ण है उतनी ही रहस्यमयी. जिंदगी जितनी व्यवहारिक है उतनी ही आध्यात्मिक भी. प्रस्तुत है जीवन को ऐसी ही आध्यात्मिक शब्दावली में व्यक्त करती श्री माँ की कविता.
नमस्कार, मैं अदिति कश्यप कक्षा S1B की छात्रा आप सभी के समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करूंगी जिसका शीर्षक है जिंदगी. रहस्यमय विलक्षण आनंद की आत्मजा, जिंदगी तू है परमोल्लास, अपनी उड़ान की दूरी को होने दे अनंत पार. अपने पंखों पर तू करती है वहन भव्यता एवं तिरस्कार, परम देवत्व एवं निश्वरता, आनंद एवं दुख त्रास. मुझे समेट ले अपने निरंकुश आलिंगन में, बिना किसी दुर्बलता के निसंकोच। दारुण शरीर एवं निरावृत मुख, मूर्छित ना होना, जिंदगी ना हो जाना विमुख। तेरे सभी सुख मैं करूंगा तलाश, तेरे सभी अत्याचार एक सिंह गर्जना के समान क्रूर, बसंत बयार की तरह मधुर। धन्यवाद।
Let us now listen to this audio of Shekhar sir that echoes his philosophy of life and carries a meaningful message. It is bound to motivate all of us.
हमारी संस्कृति ये दर्शाती है और हमारा मार्ग प्रदर्शन करती है कि रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाई। प्रकृति के आदि काल से ही कभी कभी ये क्रूर और निष्ठुर काल चक्र मनुष्य की इतनी कठिन परीक्षा लेता है, जो उसे अपनी प्रियजनों से अलग कर उसके धन, यश, वैभव की भी बलि ले लेता है, जो अत्यंत कष्टकर व असहनीय होता है। किंतु जो मनुष्य इससे सत्य धर्म, सत्य निष्ठा और कर्तव्य परायणता की कठिन अग्नि परीक्षा में उत्तीर्ण हो जाता है, वह मानव से महामानव बन श्रेष्ठ गति को प्राप्त कर इस मृत्यु लोक में अमर हो जाता है। इसलिए मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, जीवन में यदि सत्य धर्म और निष्ठा के साथ आगे बढ़ोगे तो निश्चय ही उन्नति की सभी ऊंचाइयां छू लोगे। यही मेरा अटूट विश्वास और तुम्हारे लिए दुआएं भी हैं, जो जिंदगी की कठिन राहों पर तुम्हारे साथ रहे, तुम्हारी रक्षा करेंगे। धन्यवाद।
We would like to express our deepest gratitude to Shekhar sir for his significant contributions that have helped Gyan Bharati carve a niche for itself as one of the premier schools in the capital. Let us now enjoy this beautiful video made by our parents to convey appreciation to all the teachers of Gyan Bharati School for their dedication and effort, even in these uncertain and challenging times.
To all the teachers of Gyan Bharati, no matter where I go, every time I look back on this road, you will always be a part of who I am. Everything I know, every seed of greatness you have sown, through good and bad, your love has watched me grow. You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You care in every way, in my heart you will always stay. In this moment let me sing how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me stay. In this moment let me stay. You turn my little into great. There's no fear, my dreams are awake with you.
We want to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts to every teacher who is continuing to educate students during these challenging times. Thanks for all you do. Each and every effort of yours is appreciated.
Dear teachers, thank you for always showing us the right way. Whatever little we have achieved in our lives is all because of you. Thank you for being our guides and mentors even during these harsh and trying times.
We appreciate how teachers are going beyond and above proficiency during this time of remote learning. Thank you for rising to the occasion and demonstrating perseverance and resilience so that you can meet the needs of your students. Thank you, teachers.
We never clapped for them from our balconies and didn't light a candle for their efforts. Unlocking passion during the lockdown, our teachers are attempting different ways to deliver lessons. They are reaching out to their students, inspiring hard work remotely, instilling hope every day that anything is possible. The unsung heroes of the crisis as they stay connected with their students. Thank you, dear teachers.
It is because of your hard work that our learning has not stopped. You are not only our teacher, but you are also our friend, philosopher, and guide. Thank you for everything.
इस मुश्किल समय में किया ज्ञान का भंडार मुझे, किया भविष्य के लिए तैयार मुझे, जो किया आपने उपकार मुझे, सभी गुरुजनों को मेरा शत शत नमन।
Stay in this moment, let me say how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay in this moment, let me say you turn my little into brave. There's no fear, my dreams away with you.
Thank you, teachers, for helping us unwork hard throughout this tough time.
For motivating us in this lockdown period. You all didn't take any rest or any holiday and kept teaching us.
For working hard to engage us in class and giving us a normal school experience in these difficult times.
For helping and supporting us in these difficult times.
We really appreciate it. We will never forget how much time you dedicated towards us or how you put schooling first on list.
Thank you.
We would like to conclude our assembly with a thought-provoking quote by Sri Aurobindo. Everyone has in him something divine, something his own, a chance of perfection and strength in however small a sphere which God offers him. The task is to find it, develop it, and use it for a noble cause. I take this opportunity to express our deep gratitude to all the students and teachers who helped us put up this wonderful show today. The tech team comprising Prasanjit Panda and Vinay Rajan of class SS1B and Pari Mittal, Samriddhi Bhardwaj and Akash Singhal of class S1 deserve a special mention for bringing this program together. A big thank you to our lovely audience. I now request the students and teachers to leave the meeting and join their respective classes. Thank you.